Right now is what we're doing right now is we're waiting for the official score cards, and I'm going to actually let you listen to it. But in my opinion, Leo Santa Cruz won the fight, and Leo Santa Cruz is a fighter who, even though before this fight we were saying he was fighting cab drivers, sparring partners, and quote unquote bums, in a step up in competition against Abner Mares, he actually showed me something that I didn't expect. I'm T Street Controversy. This is T Street Controversy Live at RealCombatMedia.com, August 29th, 2015. Leo Santa Cruz should be defeating Abner Mares. Now, what we're waiting for is we're waiting for the full scorecard to be read live, real time. And I'm going to say this. The fight lived up to the expectations I guessed. I don't know if anyone was anticipating a knockout or anticipating a multiple knockdown fight, one being Leo Santa Cruz being knocked down at least once, or Abner Mares being knocked down. Abner Mares, if you don't know, was the favorite to win this fight because of his experience in being a, if I'm correct, a three-time world champion. And if you look at his resume, he's had a pretty tough resume. Leo Santa Cruz, on the other end, hasn't had such a tough resume. After all, he's named his son after his advisor, manager, promoter, Al Heyman. So there's a lot of controversy. But what we're waiting for now is, honestly, in a fight like this, you have both fighters throwing more than 70 punches per round. You had Leo Santa Cruz, who's 5'7", closer to 5'8", versus the 5'4" Abner Mares. You saw that there was a height difference because Leo Santa Cruz started using the height difference in rounds 3, 4, and on. Abner Mares came out, round 1, went straight after Leo Santa Cruz, but what we saw it didn't really do too much, I guess. I mean, I look at it like this. In my opinion, Leo Santa Cruz won the fight. Abner Mares, where does he go from here? He's still good. There's still a lot of other fighters that he can beat. But now, since Leo Santa Cruz should win the fight, or in my opinion, won the fight, we want to see what more Leo Santa Cruz has to offer. One thing I did learn about this fight is that Leo Santa Cruz is actually a very good boxer. He's very mentally smart. He's very, he has a high ring IQ. And he knew how to handle, after the first couple or few rounds, he knew how to handle a pressure fighter, power puncher like Abner Mares, keep him on the end of the stick. He was jabbing and, he was jabbing and using the right hand. And also he was using the movement of keeping Abner Mares in the middle of the ring, but also pressuring Abner Mares at the same time. I am T Street Controversy. This is T Street Controversy Live at RealCombatMedia.com. Leo Santa Cruz, I have to end the video because, it's my birthday. I want to get a little chance to actually go to sleep in a hotel room by myself. Long story. But I'm actually giving the fight to Leo Santa Cruz. I don't see any reason why he should not be winning the fight, or he should not have won the fight. Abner Mares, where does he go from here? You know how the Al Heyman system works. He's probably going to go start fighting some fighters that we likely never heard of before, building his name back up. Should there be a Leo Santa Cruz Abner Mares rematch? In my opinion, no. 71 of 366 jabs for Leo Santa Cruz, 7 of 194 for Abner Mares, 302 of 721 of power punches for Leo Santa Cruz, and my God, Abner Mares wasn't even close. But let's listen to the scorecard.
The strategy he tried to employ. Coming right out of the corner. Meeting Santa Cruz.
Let's see if they got the scorecards taken care of.
For the undefeated.
Teddy Atlas scorecards has it 117-111 for Santa Cruz.
To stay unbeaten. Let's make it official and hear what the ringside judges had to say. For that,
let's listen.
Baby Ray Flores.
T Street Controversy with RealCombatMedia.com. This is T Street Controversy Live. Please subscribe.
Here are your score totals. Judge at ringside, Jesse Reyes, has the bout 117-111 for Santa Cruz. Judge Max DeLuca has the bout 114-114, a draw. And Judge Steve Morrow has the bout 117-111 for your winner by majority decision, Leo.
Good decision. T Street Controversy. T Street Controversy Live.